Hello again, Steve here. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Super Mario Bros. Game & Watch. Once again, this belongs to my friend, and he's had it, well, I don't actually know how long he's had it for, but this is originally from 1988. This is one of the new widescreen series. So this is, 32 years old, and it's very nice. It's in its original box, which is, excellent. Now, apparently the problem with this is that there's something wrong with the controls. They don't seem to function properly. I think he said that it always moves to the right. So literally, as soon as you start the game, Mario starts running right. So I'm guessing it's quite an easy fix, but I mean, I don't know, but let's have a look at it. I'm trying to be extra careful with this because I imagine it's worth a few quid. Got batteries in there. Oh, very nice. So that's actually in really good condition. Wow. And instructions as well. Look at that. Wow. I almost feel like I should be wearing gloves to handle this, like some kind of ancient scripture. Yeah, it's in mint condition, this. Very nice. And we've got batteries as well. So let's pop all this over to one side. Some marks on the back there. It looks like sticker residue of some description, but that should come off. Let's pop these in. Well, it comes on. Oh, and there you go. You can see straight away that's for setting the time, isn't it? And it's just cycling right through, which it's not supposed to do, I don't think. So I'm guessing, yeah, this right. Or is that up and down? I can't remember. But one of the contacts must be sort of in a stuck position. Just try starting the game. Oh, there's no sound. Is there meant to be sound? Yeah, that's odd. Oh, there we go. Not quite sure why the sound didn't work straight away. Yeah, it's unplayable practically. Right, shut up. So let's take this thing apart and let's just have a quick look inside and just see if it's something obvious. Like some kind of, I don't think it'd be corrosion because this is in such good condition, but let's have a look. Okay, so there's the little speaker. Now this board looks like it's held down with another 4 screws. So I'm just using a flathead screwdriver for this. These screws, I'm not sure whether you can see them close up. They've got like a hole in the middle, but there is, there's like a flathead all the way through it, so flathead does get them off. I don't know if they're meant to be some kind of security bit, but anyway, the flathead works. Okay, so it's here, which is where the... Okay, so that is a little bit dirty, but it's not that bad, to be honest. It's just like there's a little bit of something. It feels a little bit, yeah, like this is shiny and sort of smooth, but here it just feels a little bit rough, like there is maybe something's been spilled on it. I don't know. It just looks a little bit different. So I'm just going to grab some IPA and just give it a gentle clean and see if that makes it look any better. There you go. Look at that, that's come off. Okay, I'm just going to let that dry off. Alright, let's pop this back together. I'm going to try and clean off this sticker residue while I'm here. There we go. All done. Right, let's pop the batteries back in. Let's see if that's made any difference. By Jove, I think it might have done. Okay, I'm terrible at this game, but it is working. As you can see, it's not moving to the right. Yeah, I don't really know how to play this game. Ah, she was right there! Oh no! Well, that's disappointing, isn't it? But anyway, it works. So that was a very, very simple one. But I'm just glad that it's now back to its fully working condition. I just can't get over the condition of this thing. It's absolutely beautiful. Just a little mark there on the front. There we go. Beautiful. Right, all done. Nice, easy one. So I'm going to give this back to my friend and charge him £100. So that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe for more Can I Fix It and how-to videos.